Okay, we are in the effects of Super Typhoon Karding right now. As of right now, not too much wind. A lot of rain during the night. Down here, this is 164 in Barrio Barretto. This is Rizal Street. It doesn't flood as much as it used to because of they built it up. So. Okay, getting a lot of rain. About 6 in the morning right now, Monday morning. What's the date? 26. Anyway, this Typhoon Karding, haven't seen no damage yet on any buildings, so that's a good thing. Still getting a lot of rain, but that's to be expected. Yeah, work as usual for people. It's recycling. They're getting a little wind right now. It's not bad. Oh. Work as usual. Morning! Okay, this is McCoy Soft Drinks and Liquor. They deliver 24 hours a day. They never close.
Hey, subscribe. What's your channel?
Subic Bay Johnny, you forgot.
Johnny, subscribe.
How's your house? It's okay? Oh, that's good. Okie dokie. Need soft drinks, liquor, they deliver. And they're here at 164 in Barrio Barretto. You working already? Yes. All right. You should have a lot of people today. Okay, take care, guys. Stay safe. Yeah, so far, I haven't seen any damage. That's not saying there isn't any. I mean, I'm not guaranteeing that. But. Could have been worse for Barretto. Yeah, we're still getting a lot of rain dumped on us, but That'll probably be most of the day today. No schools today. School's been canceled. Okay, National Highway, Barrio Barretto. Okay, I'm here at Driftwood Beach. Of course, there's nobody here but me. I was talking to the guy, I asked if there was any damage. He said no. So, happy for that. Looks like the sea is so calm down. Okay, here at the beach in Barrio Barretto, this is Driftwood Beach. As you can see, it's high tide now. That's what's causing the streets to flood over in Barretto and the 164 area. So as soon as it goes to low tide, it will be a very, very good thing. We should still get a lot of rain dumped on us today. Just my guess from what I'm hearing on the weather reports. Like I said, this is Driftwood Beach. Okay, the wind is picking up, tearing up my umbrella. Oh yeah, definitely the winds are picking up. Okay, just wanted to show you this area. People are concerned about their boats, of course. Driftwood Beach. Big waves here. Getting windy. I better get off the beach. Okay, we're still getting a lot of rain dumped on us. I'm sure down by Central Park Reef, that should be all flooded down there, if I'm not mistaken. It always floods. I'm making my way down there slowly. Okay, this individual's going to give people a ride. Haven't seen many jeepneys out. Come on, guys, don't overspeed today. You don't need to.